Now we are going to see long-run equilibrium under perfect competition. The long run is a time period where all factors of production can be changed in order to increase production. In case firms in the short run, at the beginning of the long run, is making abnormal profit, existing firms will be attracted by the abnormal profit and they will increase their plants and capacity utilization in order to meet the increasing demand. Thus, production will increase on the market and new firms also can be attracted to join the industry since there are freedom of entry and exit of firms. New firms and existing firms will contribute to increased production and therefore supply on the market will increase. Such an increase in supply will lead to a fall in price. Some firms which cannot compete on the market will have to leave the industry and some firms will keep on producing until average revenue is greater than average costs, that is to benefit from the abnormal profit. Gradually the abnormal profit will be reduced or eliminated. Hence firms in the long run are said to make normal profit where average revenue is equal to average total costs. Hence firms in the long run will be at equilibrium at the point where AR is equal to AC, that is the point E in the diagram. The average total cost curve is U-shaped and the average revenue curve is represented by a horizontal straight line. The point at which the AC and the average revenue curve meet is known as the equilibrium point where only normal profit is being made. At this point, marginal revenue is equal to marginal costs. Firms will normally produce where marginal revenue is equal to marginal costs in order to maximize profit. Since the abnormal profit is being eliminated by firms on the market, hence only normal profit is being made in the long run, where AR is equal to AC. In the long run, firms will benefit from productive efficiency because it produces at the lowest average cost curve point. Further, AR is equal to AC. Thus, the firm can also benefit from allocative efficiency. So, firms in the long run are said to make normal profit where average revenue is equal to average cost.